Hello mga kachibugan! First Sunday of September. Bare months na. So, my first vlog, lunchtime. Kain na po. Today, I'm having pork menudo. Ito po, ang daming sauce. Sauce Mariosep. Ito ang gusto ko, saucy, very saucy. Patatas, carrots, and of course, lots of sauce. So, let's eat mga kachibugan! Lambot. Need more sauce.